let's talk about the potential DJI drones that we are about to see this year in 2022. What's going on, guys? It's Anthony with Ant's Drone. With a new year means new drone rumors. So what drones are we going to see in 2022? That's what I'm going to tackle today and we're going to talk about. I've been curious because last year, and honestly the year before that, it was all about the Mavic 3. When is the Mavic 3 coming? What is the Mavic 3 going to be? There were so many rumors about it, and I feel like I covered that for nearly 2 years. We also saw some exciting releases like the DJI FPV drone. So with that being said, what are we going to see this year? So let's start with number one, the DJI Mini 3. So the DJI Mini 2 has been an incredible drone, and honestly it's a drone that I bought really for fun, and I can fly it inside. It's very easy to maneuver. It works with the DJI Fly app. So what are going to be the upgrades of the DJI Mini 3? First of all, we should be getting 4K at 60 frames per second. Currently, the Mini 2 can shoot 4K, but only at 30 frames per second, which honestly is very impressive for its size, but we expect DJI to take this up a notch. We should also see onboard obstacle avoidance sensors as well as a follow me mode, which could be really awesome for the Mini series. One source claims that the arms of the Mini 3 will be more angled, much like the Mavic 3, to allow for larger propellers while keeping the same frame. This very well could increase the speed of the drone as well as flight times, all while keeping minimal additional weight. So this could be a really awesome upgrade for the DJI Mini series. Let's move on to number two, the FPV Mini. So last year we saw DJI release the FPV drone, but it looks like in July DJI could be rolling out the FPV Mini, but honestly there's not much information that I can find about this drone other than the fact that DJI has been talking about it. So it seems very unlikely like we'll get an FPV Mini, but it's definitely something to look out for, seeing that we're seeing some chatter about it online. Number three is going to be the Inspire 3. So it's been a while since we've seen the Inspire series get upgraded, so it looks like this year might be the year that DJI will go ahead and upgrade the Inspire series. Rumors in 2018 stated that the camera could be up to 8K quality. Sources are now saying that in today's world, it could really be 10 or 12K quality, which is insane. I can't even imagine that. It will likely keep the same iconic Inspire design, which has been a favorite amongst many cinematographers out there, but other sources are saying it could undergo a complete redesign. As to what that redesign will look like, we don't know yet, but that is a possibility. Either way, it's going to be awesome to see what DJI does with the already amazing Inspire series. It's going to be crazy to see an Inspire 3. Also, I did see some things about a Phantom 5, but we've heard about a Phantom 5 for years, and I just think it's very unlikely that DJI is going to go ahead and upgrade the Phantom series, but I just wanted to mention that, even though there's not much information from what we've already heard about the Phantom 5. We also might see a DJI Ronin 3 as well as a DJI Pocket 3. These are rumored to be coming out toward the end of 2022 in November. Also, earlier when I mentioned the Mini 3, I don't think I mentioned a potential release date. According to what I've seen, we're looking at around the March-April timeframe for that. But that is all the DJI rumors that I could find for now. I just wanted to make a video about it because there's so many potential exciting new releases coming this year. I wanted to get ahead of it and just see what I could find. I'm excited to cover these leaks throughout the year. They are definitely the more popular videos of mine. I love finding leaks and reporting them because even though they might not be correct all the time, a lot of the times you will find that they can be correct. They are important to pay attention to if you're looking forward to purchasing these products. If you enjoyed today's video and you want to hear more leaks and more drone and tech stuff, definitely hit the subscribe button and notification bell. And also please give this video a thumbs up because it will help rank it higher in the algorithm. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.